Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create a dropdown in Power BI. Creating a dynamic and interactive dashboard can significantly enhance the user experience. And one way to achieve this is by incorporating drop-down menus, commonly referred to as slicers in Power BI. These slicers are an invaluable tool for transforming your static reports into interactive ones, allowing users to filter and view data with just a couple of clicks. By mastering this feature, you're equipping yourself with the ability to make your dashboards not just visually appealing, but also incredibly functional and user-friendly. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how you can add this powerful tool to your Power BI reports. First, you'll need to open Power BI on your computer. If this is your initial experience with Power BI, don't fret. Launch it just like any other application you use regularly. Once you have your report or data set loaded up, you're set to proceed to the next step. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll find the Visualizations pane. This section contains a variety of icons representing different visual tools such as charts, tables, and more. Our focus here is on the slicer icon, which resembles a small filter funnel. Clicking on this icon will instantly add a blank slicer visual onto your report canvas. So, what exactly does a slicer do? Imagine you're shopping on a website, and you want to filter the products by size or color. A slicer offers the same functionality, but for your data. It empowers your dashboard viewers to select and focus on specific portions of the data, such as choosing a certain year, category, or salesperson, all by using a drop-down filter. To make this slicer truly useful, you'll need to connect it to a data field, navigate to your Fields pane, and identify the parameter or data field you want your drop-down to be based on. For instance, if you want users to filter visuals by sales data, simply drag the sales field onto the slicer you've just added. Instantly, the slicer updates and displays all available options linked to that field. Now comes the creative part. You can customize the appearance of the slicer to ensure it aligns with the overall design of your report. Click on your slicer visual to highlight it, then explore the formatting options available under the Format brush icon. Here you can adjust the font colors, borders, and other stylistic details. These small customizations help your slicer integrate seamlessly with your report's design. Don't worry if this seems a bit overwhelming at first. You can always modify these settings later, and there's ample opportunity to experiment. Next, let's convert this slicer into a drop-down menu instead of a static list. Look for the Slicer Settings section within the Visualizations pane. Click on it to reveal your options. And under Style, choose the option to turn the slicer into a drop-down. This adjustment will cause your slicer to condense into a compact drop-down menu. This feature is particularly beneficial when dealing with extensive lists, such as numerous products or regions, as it keeps your dashboard neat and user-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drop-down slicer to your Power BI dashboard. Give it a test run by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting a few different items. You'll notice the visuals on your report adjust in real time to reflect your selections. It's a subtle yet powerful enhancement that simplifies data navigation for your audience. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or encounter any issues. I'm always here to help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more Power BI tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.